You've been lied to about learning English. For years, you've studied grammar rules, you've watched lessons, you've listened to podcasts. But the moment someone asks you a question in English, you freeze. Your mind goes blank. Here's the truth most learners never hear. Studying English is one thing. Actually speaking it is something completely different. If you want to speak English, you have to practice speaking. That sounds obvious, but most learners never do it. Why? Because they don't have anyone to practice with. No speaking partner, no tutor, no one to talk to. So what do you do when you're completely alone? That's where the ghost partner method comes in. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple technique many polyglots use to practice speaking, even without another person. At the center of this method is something called the imitation technique. But this isn't about repeating sentences like a parrot. It goes one step further. The real skill here is reformulation. Here's how it works. You listen to a native speaker say something. Then you say the same idea again, but in your own words. You become the ghost of the original speaker. Instead of copying the sentence exactly, you recreate the meaning using your own vocabulary and structure. This forces your brain to close the gap between understanding English and actually using it. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you hear this sentence. When I was a kid, my parents told me Santa Claus brought the presents. Now, instead of copying it word for word, you try to say the same idea differently. You might say, so when he was younger, his parents used to pretend that Santa was the one delivering the gifts. Notice what happened there. You didn't copy the sentence. You changed the perspective. You changed the structure, but the meaning stayed the same. Without realizing it, you just practiced grammar. Now let's break down how you can train this skill. Think of it as a simple ladder with 3 steps. Each step makes the exercise slightly harder. Step 1 is the echo. Listen to a short phrase, then repeat it exactly. This builds pronunciation, rhythm, and speaking confidence. Step 2 is the thought pause. Now listen to a full sentence or a complete idea. Pause the video, then try to say the same idea again using your own words. Don't worry about making mistakes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is expression. Step 3 is what I like to call the AI boost. This is the modern upgrade to the method. After you retell the sentence, say your version to an AI assistant like ChatGPT or Gemini. Then ask a simple question. Did my retelling make sense? It's like having a speaking partner available 24 hours a day, and unlike a human partner, it never gets tired of helping you practice. So why does this method work so well? Because of something called implicit learning. It's the same way you learned your first language as a child. You didn't memorize grammar charts. You listened, you imitated, you repeated, and slowly your brain started recognizing patterns. When you use imitation to practice English, you're not just studying the language, you're absorbing it. You start picking up rhythm, sentence structure, and natural expressions without the stress of memorizing rules. So remember this, you don't need a plane ticket to London. You don't need an expensive tutor. You just need a few minutes and the right way to practice. In the next few days, I'll add a practice starter kit in the description with 3 videos you can use to start this method immediately. So stop only studying English. Start speaking it, and I'll see you in the next video.